Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Subscribe and start your daily yoga practice today. I am here with a full body stretch, gentle, relaxing flow, and gator. Start in a child's pose. Big toes together, knees apart. Walk your hands out and away from you. On an exhale, bring the forehead down. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Focus on the present moment. Become aware of the quality of the breath. In and out through the nose as best as you can. Arrive. Press up to a tabletop. Knees hip width, hands shoulder width. One round of cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral spine. Sit back and bring your feet out and around in front of you. Soles of the feet together, knees apart. Hold on to the outside edges of your feet. Roll the shoulders back and down. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Over, butterfly legs. Sit up. Cross your feet at the ankles. Tabletop position. One round of cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, press everything away and round. Neutral spine. Sit back. Bring your feet out and around in front of you. And lengthen both legs out. It's totally okay to keep the knees soft. Sit up tall. Reach your arms overhead. Exhale. Relax over both legs. Breathe. You have the option to keep the legs soft or straight. It's whatever you want to do today. Just make sure you feel a sensation down the back of your legs. Slowly round up. Cross your feet at the ankles. Tabletop. Tuck the toes. Downward facing dog. Long exhale. Lower your knees to the mat. Bring them to one side, out and around in front of you. Lie down on your back. Full body stretch, arms overhead. Hug the right knee in. Twist to the left. Guide the right leg across to the left. Right arm reaches out and away from you, palm down. Breathe. Back to center. Full body stretch, arms overhead, legs reach away from you. Left knee in. And twist. Use your right hand to guide your leg across to the left. Left arm out and away, left palm down. Back to center. Full body stretch. Inhale. Hug both knees in. And rock up to a seated position. Sit any way that's comfortable, as long as the spine is straight. Roll the shoulders back and down. Left arm reaches up and over, side body stretch. Keep the sit bones evenly placed. Sit up and switch sides. Left hand down, right arm up and over. And sit up. Closing breath. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Exhale. Lower your hands down. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your presence. Until next time, namaste.